Okay, question 17. Graph the function f of x equals x squared plus 4x plus 3. State the equation of the axis of symmetry. So let's go to our TI Nspire graphing calculator. Home screen, new dot, say no to drugs, and add a graph page. So we want to type our equation exactly like we see it on our paper. X squared plus 4x plus 3. And enter. Now, this is what our function looks like. So now I can do menu, 5, 3, set my trace step to 1, and say OK. Now, when I do menu 5, 1, I want to plot these points exactly like I see them on my graph. So that's the point 0, 3. So I'm going to go as far left as I can see. And it looks like -4 is the best I'm going to do because I don't have -5, 8 on my graph. So -4, 3 is my first point. Now my next point is -3, 0. And then -2, -1 is my minimum. Then we finish off with 1, 0 and 0, 3. Plot all 5 points, label each point, and make sure you put arrows at the ends of your parabola. And that's our graph. Now, the next statement says, state the axis of symmetry of f of x. So, to find the axis of symmetry, from our graph page right here, we say menu, choice 6 to analyze graph. Technically, they treat parabolas as conics. There's curvature. So we go down here to analyze conics, and choice number 4 is axis of symmetry. So when I click on my parabola, it tells me the axis of symmetry is the line x equals -2. Now, a very important feature is the axis of symmetry actually passes through the vertex of every parabola. So that line goes right through the vertex, like so. And the name of that line is the x-coordinate of the vertex. So we know that the name of this line is x equals -2. So you don't need to know menu 684 to find this line, but you can always use it if you know that command. So that's how you can find your axis of symmetry on the calculator. But the key skill is knowing, if you know the x-coordinate of your vertex, the turning point, you know the name of the axis of symmetry. But be very careful. You have to say x equals -2 because you're talking about a line, not just a number. The axis of symmetry is the line that cuts the parabola in half. So if you don't have x equals included in the name of your line, you will not get credit for your axis of symmetry. And that's full credit for question number 17.